Hello my lovely kids. I am Himanshi Vasani from Gurukulam Gyanodaya Vidyapith. Welcome once again to our class. Kids, in our pattern series, we have learned some patterns. I hope you all are practicing those at your home. Okay, and today we will learn some more new patterns. So let's start. Okay, look at the board. See, which pattern is this? Very easy. So we will make this pattern in second and third between these two lines. Okay. Slanting line, small slanting line, taking a loop, make a curve. Okay. Like C. Again go up, slanting line, back side taking a loop, C. Slanting line, back side taking a loop, C. Slanting line, back side taking a loop, C. Okay? Once again, slanting line, taking a loop, C. Again, slanting, loop, curve, slanting, back side loop, curve, slanting, backside loop and curve. Once again, slanting, backside loop, curve. Do it with me. Slanting, backside curve, C. Slanting, backside curve, slanting, backside loop and a curve. Okay. This pattern is same like this, okay. We write this pattern between these two lines and this one is big loops. 1, 2, 3. We will make them in upper 3 lines, okay. Let's start. Again, slanting line, backside loop, curve, slanting line, backside loop, curve, slanting line, curve, slanting line, curve. Once again, slanting line, loop and curve, slanting line, loop and curve, slanting line, loop and curve. Okay. Now, which pattern is this? The next one, you have learned U pattern. In this pattern, we may make opposite of U and then downside take a loop. U upside and downside taking a loop. Go upside. Very good. Okay, once again. Start from down, come up, U, loop, up, down, loop, up, down, loop, up, down. Okay? Isn't very easy patterns? And this one, we will do this pattern bottom 3 line. 1, 2, 3. This line we will not use. So, start from the third line. 1, 2, 3. From the third line. Slanting line, small slanting line. Come down again. Touch the bottom. Loop. Go up. Touch the bottom with slanting line. Loop. Again slanting line, go up. Slanting line, touch the bottom, stop. Okay, do it once again. Slanting line in middle 2 lines and slanting line, touch the bottom, loop, go up, come down, taking a loop, go up, come down, taking a loop, go up, stop. Once again, slanting line, loop, go up, down, loop, go up, down, loop. in a smooth way. Don't lift your pencil up again and again. So kids, we have learned this pattern. Now we will revise the pattern that we have learned in our previous video. Let's start. I hope you all are practicing these patterns at your home. Slanting line, okay, right side slanting line, curve, and you have to practice this pattern at your home, okay, and U pattern in a small line, U pattern, upside U, okay, and loop pattern, big loop, zigzag pattern, okay, double curves, okay, done. So kids, you have to practice all these patterns at your home. Make these patterns again and again in your notebook. We will come back with some more new patterns and then we will start stylish letters that are cursive letter. Till then, stay tuned. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.